Want to customize the battery icon and status bar on your Vivo X300 series? Whether you prefer to see the battery percentage inside the icon, outside it, or hide it completely, Vivo lets you personalize it in just a few taps. In this video, I'll show you how to change the battery style and battery percentage display on the Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Battery Style Settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Battery. Tap on Battery icon in status bar. Next, tap Battery Style or Battery Percentage Display Mode or Battery Indicator, depending on your software version. Step 2. Change Battery Style. Tap Battery Style. Choose the style that matches your preference, whether you like a clean, minimal look or a more detailed battery indicator. Choose how you want the battery icon style look from vertical, horizontal, or circle. Step 3. Change Battery Percentage Display. Tap on Battery Percentage Display Mode. Depending on your device, you may see options like inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon, do not display. Tap your preferred option and the change will be applied instantly. If you're trying to maximize battery life, enable battery percentage so you always know exactly how much power is left. It's much more accurate than relying on the battery icon alone. If you'd also like to customize your lock screen, always on display, app icons, or ambient light effects, we've already created dedicated tutorials for those. Check the links in the description or tap the I button to watch them. And that's how you can change the battery style and battery percentage display on your Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.